Hello, listeners. This is Neha, and I'm back with another episode of Rendezvous with Twin Flames. Welcome back, and thank you for joining me. Hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today, I'll be taking up a very common but important question that every twin flame would relate with. The question is, I have not talked to my twin flame that much, and now we are separated indefinitely. Should I contact him or let time and work bring us back together? Twin flames always struggle a lot thinking about what is right and what is not. What if he has already moved on and does not want to be in contact with me anymore? What if we never get to talk or meet again? And lot many questions come to our mind, right? I'm no expert in predicting anything for anyone here, but yes, I'm sure we can save a lot of our worries by simply following our heart. If you really want to reach out to them, why to wait for the right time? You can contact them and make everything right for both of you instead. Time has a significant role to play in twin flame journey, and I suppose you have been patient enough till now, and you must have worked on yourself, hence you want to reach out to your twin flame. Even if he had not made any attempt to reach out to you all this while, it should not change anything in your journey. Every twin flame is unique, and let your own self decide what is right for you both. We all are aware with the fact that twin flames mirror each other. So, if you are somewhere feeling stuck, always remember your twin flame might be feeling the same. Now, you would never want your twin flame to feel this way, isn't it? Therefore, you are required to work on all the issues that are holding you back in contacting your own self. Have you ever noticed when you are with your twin flame how vulnerable and how comfortable you feel in their presence? Communication flows natural and no effort is required while talking to them. Everything becomes so magical and beautiful. This is due to the same reason that they are a part of you. Presently, if you are feeling hesitant in communicating with your twin flame, which means you are resisting a communication with yourself. Once your soul starts ascending, all the doubts and fears will be gone as your higher self knows that they are you and they belong to you. So you might not feel reluctant to reach out to them ever again. So if you think you have progressed on your journey and healed on some of your issues already, so there is no harm in contacting your counterpart. You need to understand a simple fact that while you were working on yourself and healing your own wounds, you have healed them passively, and now you can enjoy a little time together. Trust everything will be fine and you will never regret anything when it comes to your twin flame, as they are you. Always remember, you and your twin flame shares a bond that you both can never share with any other in this 3D world. Your love for them is pure, unconditional, and it's a forever love. With this, I would like to end today's episode. I hope our requester got the answer what she was looking for. Signing off for now. See you in the next episode. Till then, stay in love with Rendezvous with Twin Flames. Keep smiling, keep loving, and keep rocking. Ta-ta!